Bro, I'm so hungry.
Try to find some recipes from this website.
Bruh, but I don't have those ingredients.
Hi, this is Jacob. I'm the project manager for Team SESO. I worked on data collection and analysis for our recommendations.
Hi, my name is Guo Zhu. I'm the business analyst of Team SESO, and I mainly worked on the user interface design of food item and friend list.
Hello, I'm Guanyi Su. I am the system analyst and a backend developer. My job is basically writing the routers to connect the DB with frontend.
Hi, I'm Ethan, and I'm the software architect, and I was with the backend team to deliver backend functionalities.
Hi, I am Qu Chen, one of the software development lead of SESO, and I am part of the front-end group for coding the sign-up page and the recipe page.
Hello everyone, my name is Yueqi and I am one of the software leads of Team SESO, so I mainly work with the front-end part of the project.
Hi guys, my name is Jari Han. I'm the algorithm analysis of the team. I will mainly responsible for the front end of profile page and reset password page.
Hi, my name is Yan Hong. I'm the quality insurance lead of Team SESO. I've been working on the front end as well as the testing part of our project.
Hi, I'm Bobby. I'm the database specialist of Team MyFridge, and I mainly work on the backend as well as connecting database to the backend.
Hi everyone, I'm Ya. I'm the UI UX specialist of Team SESO. I'm in the front end and responsible for user interface design.
MyFridge is an application that provides a user-friendly management system to organize food in the fridge, and an intelligent recipe recommendation system to help utilize leftover food. Let's log into one of our testing accounts now. As you can see, on the home page, foods in the fridge are displayed on the left. A nice feature is that foods are sorted by their expiration date, so users can easily check which items are about to pass its specified date. Press the plus button. Users could add more foods into the fridge after they go shopping. Every time the user wants to add something to the fridge, they simply type in the name of the food. For example, orange. As you can see, our app has an auto-completion system which accelerates the process of adding food. Moreover, you can see our app has given a fruits tag and an estimated expiration date for the orange we just added. What's left over for a user is a quantity of the food. Let's say we've bought 10 oranges. After that, simply save the information and then we can see the food we just added is now shown on the left. To see the details of the food we previously added, just click on the name of the food and everything related is on the right. Another important use case is when users want to cook but not sure what they can actually cook with those food in their fridge. So our app provides a solution for this problem. Click on the recipe button and the user will be directed to the recipe page. As we can see some recommended recipes on the left. Click on a random recipe, the details will be shown on the box on the right. Our recipe first shows how many more ingredients you need besides the one in your fridge. Here we actually don't need to buy anything else to cook this dish. With the image of the food, user will have a direct sense of whether they're gonna like the food or not. If they decide to cook this dish, we have instruction to guide them along the way. Now, let's check out another recipe. As you can see now, we no longer have everything we needed for this dish, so we have to save it for next time. To help our users to remember what ingredients they need to buy, our grocery list will definitely be useful. Press Add to Grocery List will save all the missing ingredients into our grocery list. Next time when our users go to grocery store, they could check the list in their profile page. Clearly listed on the left are the things we need to buy. As you can see on the right, we also provide interface for our users to change their nickname and reset password. The last functionality is to deal with food waste. At the main page, once we have wasted some food, we go to that food and click Add to Waste button, and this food will go away from our fridge. To check how much food you have wasted, go to the waste board and you'll see everything you have wasted. You can also compare the waste score with your friends. To add more friends, go to Friends page and add them by their registered email address.
We've done a lot of research to show that our application is useful. As shown by the research, people waste approximately 30% of the total food purchased annually, which is worth more than $48 billion. During this COVID-19 pandemic, this problem has only worsened. The issue of this wasted food lies in the lack of organization and utilization of food. Therefore, MyFridge becomes an effective solution, which provides a user-friendly food management system, an intelligent recipe recommendation system, and a smart reminder of upcoming expired food.
The front end of MyFridge is mainly built on React, which is an open source JavaScript library. We choose React because on the one hand, we have more group members familiar with it, and on the other hand, React is really efficient at rendering dynamic web pages. Its components, hooks, and its JS syntax can really ease our development process compared to the native JavaScript. One problem we had when we are coding our user interface is that we need to build some complicated and highly functional components while maintaining a consistent overall style. To solve this problem, we introduced the Material UI React framework. Not only does it employ a consistent string throughout all these components, but it also has various icons and lots of powerful tools like the autocomplete component. Overall, we make use of the React router to navigate readily between different web pages.
Our graphic designs of logos and user interface involve a lot of hand drawing, iPad drawing, Photoshop processing, and actual implementation of the screens using Material UI. Usually, multiple scratches will be made, and the most popular designs based on team member voting will be used as the final product where guidelines to implement the actual screens. For the implementation of the user interface, we use Material UI, which is a convenient platform that provides templates of React components and allows for programmer customization of style.
Given the small scale of the project and the convenience of using Node.js, we decided to use Express framework to quickly build up our web server and the backend. And then we decided to connect it with the MongoDB Atlas so that we can easily transmit the data from DB to the backend and then to the user. So thanks to the MVC structure, we can split our backend into two parts. The first part is models, which defines how all different kinds of data are stored into our system. The second part is controller, which defines all the routers we need for the front end to fetch the data. So for instance, if the user with this user ID wants to see what kind of recipes it can mix right now, and then the front end will just redirect the data from these routers to him. You can see if you go to this router, all the data are already lying here, which is really good.
For database, we decided to use MongoDB Atlas, a popular non-relational database on the cloud, as our remote database, and Mongoose to organize our data. At design phase, our team realized our data uses more read and update operations than aggregations, which is exactly the strength of a non-relational database. Using Mongoose model, we ensure our data is always in consistent structure, even in a non-relational database. In addition, Mongoose allows developers to attach instance and static methods to each data type, making our code more readable and structured.
Our website mainly uses a Python library called Selenium as well as Chromium WebDrive to achieve different kinds of unit tests as well as functionality tests. As we can see here, this Python script will automatically log into its testing account and testing various functions of our website. By doing this, we can make sure that the functionality we implemented are working properly.